So I had to stop the, my flow because I got a call from a doctor. मेरी अकेली बुआ हैं, वो इस समय थोड़ा सा कोविड सिचुएशन में है, तो यू नो उनकी हेल्प करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और ये सभी के साथ हो रहा होगा, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे साथ है। आई गेट टू नो एवरीबडी whose family members, friends are dealing with it and fighting through it. So, going back to the startup, the attitude. So, from inside, as a leader, whoever is raising the money, whoever is, planting the seed, it's got to be disciplined and committed to the idea. People come and go, but the idea and germination of that idea, and once the tree becomes an oak tree, how it's going to serve larger humanity, everybody who's going to pass under it, but people who plant it, nurture it, they have to know how to, take care of it. So, if I was little, rough on the edges, it's because I wanted to make sure that this seed germinates. उसकी एक analogy और भी है कि अगर एक बार ये rhythm और rigor setup नहीं होता तो हम successful नहीं हो पाते यहाँ पे. And the reason being कि there was so much chaos and so much of volatility and so much of frayed anger and frustration because the situation was slipping out of control. From all the officers that we were working with. Now, either I stay one step ahead of them or I follow the lead. और यहाँ पे किसी को वो नहीं चाहिए हेल्पिंग हैंड कि यार मैं तुम बताइए क्या करना है। वो तो यहाँ 100 लोग वैसे ही खड़े रहते हैं दरबार में। उनको चाहिए था आदमी जो और टीम जो उनको बता सके कि अब करना क्या है। एंड टू प्ले दैट रोल I was, of course, pushing hard, both intellectually, physically, mentally, and whatnot. Fortunately, I had the training and I've done this bit, so I could handhold it. But then I also needed a team who covers on the backside of me for all the deliverables and suggestions and whatnot. And to get my team to feel that sense of urgency, if I had to push people and nudge and shake them up, so be it. Because what's more important कि जो situation है, जो भी एनर्जी और मतलब नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव जो भी होती है, इट डजंट मैटर आफ्टर अ मंथ और 2 और 3. व्हाट एवरीबडी विल रिमेंबर कि हमने किया क्या, व्हाट वी अचीव्ड. और उस अचीवमेंट के लिए जो भी करना पड़े वो कम नहीं है. आई मीन दैट्स माय सिलिकॉन वैली सॉर्ट ऑफ क्या बोलना चाहिए, पैशन है या एटीट्यूड है या कट थ्रोट एक बन जाता है. आई कांट चेंज माई सेल्फ. But all I know is when I'm planting a seed and what it's going to take off. इसकी एक एनालॉजी और है, उसके बारे में भी आप सोचिएगा कि जो रॉकेट्स भेजते हैं हम स्पेस में, उनको हल्की फुल्की पेट्रोल गैस ये सब से डाल के नहीं भेजते हैं. द टैंक्स, दोज बिग bulk things that you see, they are liquefied oxygen and nitrogen, two of the most inflammable and dangerous liquids that are poured, and they are put into those tanks just T minus 30, T minus 1 hours before the takeoff, because you can't leave them there because of their volatility. But that's what it takes to lift off a rocket. That highly inflammable, sort of volatile and cranky gases, because they give you the most energy. They give you the most thrust that it required to lift off the rocket off the ground. Once the rocket is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 10 kilometer away, you must have seen it takes off straight and then it starts to bend the curve. फिर वो thrust एक time आता है and those rockets are needed for just 1, 2 or 3 minutes of thrusting. Once it reaches a certain altitude, rockets drop off, and then suddenly the top it starts to almost feels like it's floating. स्टार्टअप का भी वही होता है कि कोई भी आइडिया हो, उसमें जो शुरू के जो मोमेंट्स है ना, दैट्स वेयर यू नीड मोस्ट ऑफ द थ्रस्ट. उसके बाद तो ऑटो पायलट और वो सब ट्रेजेक्ट्री सेट हो जाती है, जैसे रॉकेट की सेट हो जाती है. लेकिन उस ट्रेजेक्ट्री को सेट करने के लिए, अर्थ की ग्रेविटी से निकालने के लिए, अब ग्रेविटी क्या है? ग्रेविटी वही है कि जो हम इंसानों में एक हमारी आदत पड़ जाती है कि साहब हम तो 8 बजे उठेंगे, 9 बजे खाना खाएंगे, अखबार पढ़ेंगे, चाय पियेंगे, फिर जाएंगे. उस एटीट्यूड से आप नहीं, यू हैव टू पुल पीपल आउट ऑफ दैट ग्रेविटेशनल पुल कि जो ऐसे ही होना है. नहीं, यू हैव टू चेंज द होल डायमेंशनैलिटी. अगर वैसे ही करना है तो धरती पे आप कार चलाते रहिए, वो नॉर्मल लोग चलते रहते हैं. रॉकेट कभी कभी छूटते हैं, लेकिन जब रॉकेट छोड़ना होगा तो आपको वो इनफ्लेमेबिलिटी, वॉलेटिलिटी डील करना आना चाहिए, उसको पता करना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई रॉकेटरी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डेंजरस थिंग एज वेल. यू मस्ट हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ रॉकेट्स blow up. When they blow up, it's a massive damage, right? Lekin that's the risk you take. If you don't do it, you're never going to lift off. And for a successful startup, for a successful complex idea, for a successful, when you're हमारे केस में तो ऐसा था, we were planting the seed in one of the most difficult and complex situations. अगर ये normal time होता, फिर तो यार आज मीटिंग हुई, कल डिलीवरेबल दे दीजिए, यहाँ तो कल क्या घंटा घंटा घंटा। तो या तो एक नॉर्मल टाइम में आप स्टार्टअप करिए, उसकी एक एनर्जी अलग होगी, उसकी रॉकेटरी अलग होगी, उसकी इन्फ्लेमेबिलिटी अलग होगी। या फिर एक जब आप क्राइसिस मोमेंट में कुछ इंक्यूबेट कर रहे हैं तो उसमें 100x 1000x आपका थ्रस्ट चाहिए, आपको 1000x उसमें पैशन, एनर्जी, रिगर सब कुछ चाहिए। And that's where make or break happen. So I have a very high hope of what we are doing here, because we have put in so much thrust in such a critical and defining moment, that today I felt that I think I might turn this into something big, massive. And I think credit goes to all of us. And why I'm recording this video today and not 3 days ago or 5 days ago or maybe 10 days down the road, just to let you know that the rocketry of our ecosystem, or my behavior with you or your behavior with me, is bound to change, because now we are going to drop those tanks, and those tanks are going to drop in the ocean. And if I was Elon Musk, I'll land them back on the pad. And I love Elon Musk, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to land them back on the pad, and I'm going to put another mast on top and launch something else right behind it, because rather than dropping those tanks in the ocean and just destroy them and then build new, I think I'm going to go to the reusable tank model of Elon Musk. So wanted to put this out there. और बाकी तो आज टीम एंड एक चीज़ और है, इसी की अगर एनालॉजी पे मैं रहूँ, कि आई डेंट आस्क द दोज टैंक्स टू बी जेटिसन टुडे, द टीम डिड. इफ द वे टीम परफॉर्म विद व्हाट वी वर लुकिंग फॉर, अगर टीम ने नहीं परफॉर्म किया होता, मैंने टैंक्स अभी भी लगाए रखे होते. लेकिन वो टैंक्स आज टीम ने ड्रॉप किए हैं, बिकॉज द टीम स्टार्टेड टू पिक अप द लोड. एंड दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस इन रॉकेटरी टू. Stage 2 engines kick off. When stage 2 engines kick off, that's when the tanks of the stage 1 are dropped. If you fire the stage 2 engines too soon or too late, the whole, the platform will crash. So the timing was perfect, and that's why I'm so elated and happy, and want to congratulate everyone. It's not that we have been successful. We have just reached 2% of our mission. 98% yet to go. But the 2%, picking it up off the Earth's gravitational pull and getting into that space mode, that now I know my trajectory is set. Now I have to manage the trajectory. Now I have to maintain the trajectory. It's very different than launching into the trajectory. I hope you guys are, sort of able to correlate with the analogy. And my whole idea of these vlogs is to share everything with you also. Down the road, you'll learn something from it. You might not like something out of it, but at least I get a sense of venting it out and putting it out there, and it helps me therapeutically. I mean, I find it very therapeutic. It's almost like having a conversation with a close friend without hearing anything back. Or kya, very proud of a core team is starting to form, and this core team starting to look really good. And yes, they are all young, and hopefully in 20 years, when I'll be 20 years older, some of these kids will drive and launch rockets, what I'm doing, and they'll probably do a launch better than me, just like we are hoping that every next generation is better than us. But you want to set up that culture, the attitude, the drive, the rigor, and today, yesterday I think it was, we were under the pump and we were building this solution the day before, and Saubhagya comes to me and says, this is the most fun he has ever had in life. And that thing really made my day, and hopefully his days. He's another high performing kid. He's AIMS and Bangalore and residency from US, so I can see where he's coming from. And not everybody would have said it. It takes a special kind to recognize a special kind, and I have high hopes from this bright young man, and I hope we will have a long association, and he'll do really well. Hari has done brilliant. Really love this kid. I think Hima has been phenomenal. She'll do really well. Ajit, of course, sitting in Delhi, but he has handled my the whole thing really well. फिर डोर पे नॉक हुई है, 1 मिनट रोकता हूँ, फिर शुरू